This is how simple installing Innohome Charlie charging station is. Because the actual cabling varies location by location, we do not explain how it's done in this video. We'll only show you how the Innohome Charlie is installed after the cable is on its place. The box includes Innohome Charlie-C charging station, cable holder and its mounting accessories, installation template, screws, plugs and strain relief, as well as an installation and user guide. For current leakage protection, a Type A residual current device is needed, as well as a separate circuit breaker. If those aren't already available, then they must be installed. You can use the installation template included in the package to mark the screw locations. Open the cover by lifting the cover upwards. Place the charging station against the wall according to the markings. Pull the power supply cable through the power cable inlet and mount the charging station on the wall with the 4 screws included. You can also bring the cable in through the cable inlet below. Strip the wires according to the picture. Attach the strain relief. Attach the wires to charging station's connectors. In 3-phase wiring, the neutral, L1 and protective earth go to the left side and L2 and L3 to the right. Make sure all wires are connected firmly. The other wiring options are 1-phase wiring for T and TT power grid and for IT power grid. Set the charging current with the dip switches marked S2. Here's an example of 16 amperes setup, giving 11 kilowatts. The other setup options are shown below. Settings for use are done with the dip switches marked with S1. A typical installation of a standalone charging station for T and TT power grid looks like this. Attach the charging station cover on its place with 3 screws. 1 pan head on top and 2 flat heads at the bottom. Switch on the power supply to the charging station. A green LED starts blinking. Once the charging station is initialized, which usually takes about 30 seconds, the blinking stops and the green light remains on steady. Perform the test measurements according to the logo regulations. Innohome Charlie charging station is now ready for use. Innohome Charlie is very easy to use. The user only needs to plug the charging cable between vehicle and charging station, and charging begins automatically. After the charging is completed, unplug the charging cable according to the vehicle's manual. Usually unlocking the vehicle's doors also unlocks the charging cable. Thank you for choosing Innohome Charlie.